In steady, gradually varied open channel flow, the longitudinal phase surface profile is called the backwater profile. It may be predicted using the differential form of the energy equation called backwater equation, which may be expressed in one of the following forms. In the backwater equation, the friction slope, SF, is a nonlinear term, which is the longitudinal slope of the total headline. The sketch shows the definition of the cross-section area, A, free surface width B, on weighted perimeter PW, all measured perpendicular to the streamlines. In gradually varied open channel flow, the longitudinal variation in water depth is related to the relative magnitude of the flow depth in terms of the critical depth and the uniform equilibrium depth. The following movie shows the flow in a 12-meter long, 0.5 meter wide channel at the University of Queensland. The bed slope is steep. At the upstream end, the flow is accelerated for a smooth on-track contraction, becoming supercritical in the glass sidewall canal and reaching uniform equilibrium flow. Another example of backwater is the Condaman River immediately upstream of Lemontrey Weir, looking downstream on the 15th December 2021, about 2 weeks after the peak of a major flood. At the time of the photograph, the flow in the Condaman River was controlled from downstream by the Lemontrey Weir, that is a downstream control. This photograph shows the Kumira River upstream of the Clarejibar Road causeway on the 25 February 2022. The flow from direction from right to left was controlled by the causeway. Practically, the complete backwater profile is obtained by combining the differential form of the energy equation, backwater equation, the flow resistance calculations, that is the friction slope, and the boundary conditions. The solution is then obtained by numerical computation using graphical analysis and analytical solution whenever possible. The backwater calculations require a correct determination of the boundary conditions. That is, the flow condition imposed upstream, downstream, and along the channel. Such boundary conditions encompass control devices, such as gate, weir, reservoir, that impose some flow condition in terms of depth, discharge, or a relationship between discharge and depth, and geometric characteristics, such as bed elevation, channel width, local friction factor. It must be stressed that the backwater result depends critically upon the assumed friction coefficient, and a great uncertainty applies to the assumed friction coefficient. For open channels extending over long distances, the boundary share oppose the flow motion and retard the flow motion. The flow resistance and gravitative effect are basically of the same order of magnitude. It is thus critical to accurately predict the flow resistance. The flow resistance caused by friction is given by the Darcy equation, which may be expressed in terms of the friction slope. The above equation is sometimes called the Chezy equation, and it is valid in gradually varied flow. Remember, the backwater equation is only valid in gradually varied flow. It is invalid in rapidly varied flow, such as a hydraulic jump, a gate, a weir crest. Several integration methods of the backwater equation exist, and numerous numerical integration methods are available. A most common is the standard step method with two approaches: depth calculated from distance, and distance computed from depth. The latter method is simple, extremely reliable, and very stable. It is strongly recommended to practicing engineers who are not necessarily hydraulic experts. The concepts of backwater profiles, backwater calculations, are essential to the hydraulic engineering of open channel flow and its practical application, including flood modeling. These are discussed in the relevant YouTube video movie in the same playlist.